What's up, my fruity friends? Let's talk about one of the juiciest, most delicious fruits out there, watermelon. Now, I know what you're thinking. Watermelon? That's just a bunch of water, right? Wrong. This fruit is packed with all sorts of nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy and happy. First up, watermelon is about 92% water, which makes it an excellent fruit to keep you hydrated. So, if you're looking for a tasty way to beat the summer heat, watermelon is your go-to fruit. But that's not all. Watermelon is also chock full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives watermelon its bright red color and is known to reduce the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. But wait! Did you know that the rind of a watermelon is actually edible? Yes, you heard that right. The rind is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. It also helps reduce muscle soreness and improve exercise performance. Now, let's move on to some fun facts. Did you know that the world's largest watermelon weighed in at over 350 pounds? That's equivalent to the weight of a baby elephant. Also, did you know that watermelon is actually a fruit and a vegetable? That's right, because it's related to cucumbers, pumpkins, and other gourds, watermelon is technically a vegetable. And last but not least, watermelon is also a natural diuretic, which means it can help flush out excess fluids and toxins from your body. So, if you're looking to detox and cleanse your system, add some watermelon to your diet. So there you have it, folks. Watermelon is more than just a juicy snack. It's a nutrient-packed powerhouse that can help keep you healthy and happy. So the next time you see a big, beautiful watermelon at the grocery store, go ahead and give it a big old hug. Cheers to good health!